Okay, see question number 10. I think it is going to take much space. I will try to solve like this. Okay, first let me solve here, afterwards we will go here. If possible, we will finish here itself, or else we have to rub this. Answer 9 into e power pi by 2. Okay, log y to the base e is equal to 3 into sin inverse x. Then what is the value of 1 minus x square into y double dash minus x into y dash at x is equal to 1 by 2. First you have to find this and submit in x place 1 by 2. Okay, little bit tricky question, not a tricky I can say, but possibility of doing mistake is much. Okay, see what I am writing. See, I am not repeating again. Why? Because see, I don't have space. See how I am tackling. Shall I write y is equal to e power 3 sin inverse x? Okay, log if it goes that side, it is going to become e power. Okay, now first we will do y dash. Okay, let me do y dash. See, y dash is equal to d by dx of e power x. E power x only. Again d by dx of 3 sin inverse x. 3 into d by dx of sin inverse x means 1 by 1 minus x square under root. 1 by 1 minus x square but under root. You understand this? Okay, or else shall I write this 3 here? Okay, d by dx of e power x is e power x into 3 into d by dx of sin inverse x 1 by 1 minus x square under root. Okay, d by dx of x is 1. That is why y dash is over. Okay, shall I find x y dash at 1 by 2? Okay, x y dash is equal to 3x e power 3 sin inverse x by 1 minus x square under root. Okay, now I am finding at 1 by 2 also. At x is equal to 1 by 2, x y dash is equal to, okay, see 3 into 1 by 2 into e power 3 into sin inverse of 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 4 under root. Okay. Okay, see, this is numerator 3 by 2. See, sin inverse of 1 by 2 means pi by 6. 3 into pi by 6. Pi by 2. E power pi by 2 divided by 4 minus 1. 3 by 4. 4 under root is 2. That means see, root 3 by 2. 2 going to get cancelled out. Root 3 is going to make root 3 e power pi by 2. This is what? This is x y dash. Box it. Okay. For the namesake, this is over at x is equal to 1 by 2. But this is going to take extra space. Okay. If like this I will do, I may not be possible to do it. Let me try to solve. Okay. Within the space. If not possible, then we will trouble. Now go for y double dash also. Y dash final is where? Y dash final is this one. Okay, or else shall I box this? Why? Because see, this only you have to differentiate again. Y double dash. Y double dash. Y double dash is equal to, see, 3 is your common you can take, or else we will take not a problem. See, now d by dx of u by v. Is it okay? D by dx of u by v. V d by dx of u. U means see, 3 already have taken side, and v d by dx of u. E into e power 3 sin inverse x. Again d by dx of 3 sin inverse x. 3 by 1 minus x square under root. Okay, and d by dx of x is 1. Okay, this is that one minus. Okay, see here 1 by x square, 1 by x square going to get cancelled out. 3 into 3, 9 is going to become, that is afterwards. Now we go for u by v. V du by dx, then u dv by dx. U means what here? This one. 3 e power 3 sin inverse x. U d by dx of v 1 minus x square under root 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square. Okay, this is going to become power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into x to the power of 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is already I have taken denominator. Okay, 1 by 2 root x. Afterwards again d by dx of 1 minus x square minus 2x into 2x minus I am making as plus. Okay, minus 2x whole divided by v square. V square means what it is going to happen? Finally whole divided by big bracket I have kept 1 minus x square under root square. That means 1 minus x square it is going to become. Now you tell me denominator 1 minus x square can you send this side? Yes, we can send 1 minus x square into y double dash. 1 minus x square into y double dash. Okay, that is the logic you have to understand here. Okay, write down then. 1 minus x square into y double dash is equal to carefully you do 3 into 3 9 e power 3 sin inverse x. This portion is over. 3 into 3 9. This already got cancelled. E power 3 sin inverse x. Plus only, right? Okay. Here see 2 going to get cancelled out. Okay. 3x e power 3 sin inverse x divided by 1 minus x square under root. See here 1 minus x square under root is there. Okay, but here got cancelled, but here it is not going to get cancellation. Okay, this already we have sent at this time. Okay, can you do something? I don't think so. We will apply 1 by 2 at x is equal to 1 by 2. Let me apply. At x is equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus x square into y double dash is equal to, see 9 into e power 3 sin inverse of 1 by 2 pi by 6. Actually pi by 2 is going to come. Why? Because 3 2 times goes. Okay, let it be. Plus 3 by 2. I think this we have done here. Let it be. 3 into 1 by 2 e power 3 again pi by 6 by 1 minus 1 by 4. Because 1 by 2 square. Okay. Equal to 9 e power pi by 2. Okay, plus 3 by 2 e power pi by 2 divided by 4 minus 1 3 root 3 by 2. Why? Because under root 4 means 2. 2 going to get cancelled out. That is equal to 9 e power pi by 2 plus this root 3 make root 3. Root 3 e power pi by 2. Okay? This is what? This is 1 minus x square y double dash value. Okay, now finally what they are asking? They are asking this right now. 1 minus x square y double dash minus x y dash is equal to, see 1 minus x square y double dash value is this one. 9 e power pi by 2 plus root 3 e power pi by 2 minus x y dash 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 x y dash. Final answer is where? Here. X y dash root 3 e power pi by 2. Root 3 e power pi by 2. Now you tell me plus root 3 e power pi by 2 minus root 3 e power pi by 2 straight away going to get cancelled out. Final answer will be 9 e power pi by 2. 9 e power pi by 2 will be your final answer. See, we have finished this differentiation questions chapter for 2024. For 2024 only, application of derivatives, so tomorrow we will try to start. Okay, thank you very much.